Okay, good morning folks, and welcome to Quick Launch Auto and Tactical. So for today, as you can see, I've lined up 8 pieces of hardboard. Come closer, out of it. See which one will do more penetration or more damage, the HDR50 or the .77 rifle. Let's see what they can do. Okay, so I'm going to start with the .77 air rifle and work up to the HDR50. Okay, the problem is they are at a slight angle, so I'm going to try my best to hit them all. Let's see where I hit them. It looks like 1, 2, 2. Okay, so the air rifle only went through 2 of them. Hopefully the HDR50 can do better. Let's try them. So next is the HDR50. I am gonna stand a bit near because I'm not a good shot with the HDR yet. Okay, so let's see which one it did. Oh, knocked over the first one. It was a solid hit. So it's first one, second one, and it seems just grazed the third one. So there is a bump in there. So definitely it won't penetrate 8 boards at the same time. Maybe if you have a stronger type of air rifle, so it will maybe penetrate. So but that will be all. Thank you for watching the channel.